Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Envy in Voidpet Dungeon. All right, let's begin. To get Envy in Voidpet Dungeon, you need to hatch mystery eggs. Envy is one of the earlier and more common void pets, so it is easier to obtain compared to higher rarity pets. First, go to the hatch section and use mystery eggs. These eggs are the main way to unlock Envy, and with enough attempts, you will eventually get it. If you do not have mystery eggs, you can earn them by playing the game. Complete missions, collect daily rewards, and participate in limited time events to gather more eggs. You can also receive eggs through milestones or progression rewards. The more eggs you collect and hatch, the higher your chances of getting Envy. Since it is a common void pet, you should be able to unlock it fairly quickly with consistent gameplay. Once obtained, you can use Envy in battles and upgrade it to improve its performance. So that's basically how you can get Envy in Voidpet Dungeon. That's it for this video. Thanks.